have a very busy day ahead of us. Today is Friday. I work tomorrow. I think tomorrow's going to be a 12-hour day, so I can't really do anything on this car tomorrow. The Derby is Sunday. What do we have to do? First off, we need to get the gas tank in it. I have a gas tank bracket. I don't know where I put it, but we need to put a gas tank into it. We have to get the battery into it. Now, I don't have any more battery boxes, so we're just going to be drilling some holes on the floor and ratchet strapping a battery to the floor. I do not like doing this. Guys, do not do this. But this is what I have to do because I don't have any more battery boxes. I have one gas tank box. I have no idea where I put it. But we're going to be using the Old Faithful Derby tank here. You know what? She's been a great tank. She's my emergency backup. She's tiny, but you know what? It does the job. It's a Honda pump in it. It runs pretty much every car I've ever put it into. I lent it out at Mini Meltdown. Guy used it. Worked fantastic for him. Now I got it back. We're going to put it in. Where is the gas tank box that I had? You know, I'm going to spend all day just looking for all the stuff that I need because I keep putting it down places and forgetting where I put them down. But we are going to be getting this car hopefully running today. It's an older Camry, so it's got a return system. I don't do a lot of these V6s. I've told you guys I'd never do another V6, but here I am doing another V6. Anyway, I don't like V6s. But let's get the gas tank bracket in here and get the gas tank in it. Start running fuel lines, start drilling holes for my ratchet straps, and going from there. Where did I put it? I'll find it though. We have got a lot done to this thing today. Decided just to leave the 15-inch brakes, throw the 15s back on. I'm running out of time, guys. Didn't even take the rear brakes off, didn't cap the lines, nothing. What we did do is get a gas tank in it, a battery, fuel lines, fuse panel. Got the trunk notched, got it running. We started getting ready to move some of the electrical, but then I realized that it's already 12 o'clock and I have an hour to pack my lunch, have a shower, and leave, which I definitely need a shower. And I got to take all the videos off this camera and put them on my laptop so I can take it to work because work's going to be a little slow tonight and I can edit them. But we're going to pre-bend the back here shortly and get going, but we got the holes cut in the roof, we got the holes cut in the hood, we got the airbag out. I've never derbied a Camry with a column shifter before. Oh, hold on, there we go. Oh, I forgot to turn on the fuel pump. Suck on this thing apparently. They're broken brake line. Ah, fuck! I guess we're gonna have to do the brakes because I don't have time for this. I wanted to start moving the electrical. I got it all disconnected. I just gotta start ripping stuff out and unplugging it. Maybe I won't even have time for that. Maybe I'll have to zip tie it back up. I have 5 hours invested into this car. And, yeah, I'm not overly happy. I'm just going to quickly pre-bend it here. These rules are like super stock. No doubles, no bumper swaps, no motor swaps. The pre-bending, I'm not even sure if it's 100%, but honestly, I think I kind of need it on this car. So we're going to quickly pre-bend this and then maybe start taking a look at those brakes. I don't have time for this today though. It's been a couple years since I pre-bent anything on this hoist. So hopefully she can still do it. This one arm is a little bent from when I did one of my cars before. Come on, baby, bend. Nope. Alright, so that side over there I'm happy with. Sorry if I'm not getting a good angle. I'm not really watching the camera, I'm watching the car. So we're going to take that side out and we're just going to throw it under this side. I'm not a big fan of bending Toyota Camrys, but this one has some crazy patches on the back. There we go. That's all I need. I'm happy with that. Okay, let's clean up the pre-bending and then we'll start doing the trunk. Well, we're kind of in a rush. You guys know how I do holes in the trunk for seatbelt when I'm in a rush. Trusty old pickaxe. Now it's not in very good shape. The handle's all screwed, but god damn, she puts holes. We have 5 hours invested into this car so far, and it's pretty much done. I'm going to have to work a 12-hour shift tomorrow. I'm missing the Mount Forest Demolition Derby tonight because I have to work. I have to work tomorrow. I get off work tonight at midnight. I have an hour drive home, and then I have to be at a different job site for 7 a.m. That's 30 minutes away from my house. So lots of work these days. This vehicle is on Sunday. I might have a little bit of time Sunday morning because it's not until Sunday night, the Derby. What needs to be done to it? Radiator needs to be put back in. Window bar needs to have a bolt in the top. All the doors need a seatbelt, but I can do that at the event. Gas tank needs covered. Battery needs covered. All the lines need cleaned up. All the tools need taken out. Ratchet strap around the seat. Brake lines fixed because I just found that issue today. So we are at, oh, and I need to buy spray foam. Jesus. Lots of stuff to do. You know what? I think I'm going to make it. I think that we're going to have a good time. Oh, and I want to move some of the electrical in this. I've already got it kind of disconnected. Unplug it from the inside or unplug it from here and feed it all back through to each other. I think it can be done. If I can't, I'll just zip tie it back up. Worst comes to worst. But this thing here has been a massive rush build. And maybe my 12-hour day won't be a 12-hour day tomorrow, and I can put 2 or 3 hours on this. If I can put 2 or 3 hours tomorrow on this, and another 2 or 3 hours on Sunday, maybe even 4 before I head there, and then finish it up when I get there, this car will be in good shape. So, you know what, guys? Thanks everybody for watching. This Avalon here was a very quick build, but something I didn't notice about it, it's actually in really good shape. Other than the back of it, the front of it's in really, really good shape. So hopefully this is a great car. I don't really like these V6s. I'm not even running a standalone harness on it. So hopefully it does have decent. Thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you back here tomorrow on Zach's workshop. We're going to be moving some electrical and basically rushing to get this car done. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you back here later on Zach's workshop. And I got to put our numbers on the door. Take care, guys.